Take a look at this mind map. Isn't it cool? Mind mapping is a great way to get our ideas and thoughts organized and in order. And with ChatGPT, you can create a mind map in just 2 minutes, completely for free. Open ChatGPT and enter the prompt. Use the prompt strategy. CREATE. Watch me how I play with this. C is for character, in which we will assign a character to our AI assistant. I want you to act as a mind map specialist. And then we have R, which stands for request. This is more like assigning the task to our assistant, like this, and create a mind map for me on this topic that my school teacher assigned me. Start by asking what's the name of that topic. Here now I am entering the name, which is environmental sustainability. And then we have E, which stands for examples. This step helps guide the AI assistant by providing it with clear examples of what you're looking for. For example, you might say, this mind map should include the key examples and topics like climate change, renewable energy sources, and conservation practices. Now, the AI has a better idea of what you expect based on these examples. Next up is a for adjustments. This is where you make any specific requests or modifications to refine the output. For example, focus on recent advancements and key challenges only. Ensure the information is current and relevant. Then, we move to T, which stands for type of output. This is where you specify how you want the final result to be formatted. You could say, present the mind map in a simple, visual format with key topics as main branches, more like in a hierarchical way. Finally, we have E for extras. This is where you add any additional instructions or phrases to enhance the output. For instance, please make the mind map easy to understand for high school students and include brief descriptions for each branch. Now finally, press the Enter key. After ChatGPT delivers its output in Markmap code, head over to the Markmap website and paste the code. And that's it. And there we have got our mind map. As you can see, my detail-oriented prompt gave me a detailed-oriented mind map. And yes, Markmap also allows us to download this in SVG and interactive HTML. Note that AI performance greatly depends on how well we craft our prompt. Here's how I do it for a mind map on time management. It should be in hierarchical form and must include all these main branches like planning, prioritization, time tracking, and avoiding distractions. By specifying the structure of our mind map, we've effectively guided the AI to include all necessary subtopics. The next thing that our prompt should be having is the control level of details. Like you can inform the AI assistant about how many levels of hierarchy you need in your map. To do this, I am editing my prompt here. It should be in hierarchical form with only 4 levels and must include all the main branches such as planning, prioritization, time tracking, and avoiding distractions. You can make your mind map much more detailed by adding examples like this. Include examples like daily schedule under planning, Eisenhower matrix under prioritization, Pomodoro technique under time tracking, and minimize interruptions under avoiding distractions. Mind mapping for professional purposes needs to cover each point very densely. You can also add some main keywords to include, along with relevant techniques and tools such as GTD method, ABC analysis, time blocking, and deep work. And then finally ask for the Markmap format. Press the Enter key, and just like that, copy the code and paste it on the Markmap website as we did earlier. And there it is. Check out our detailed mind map that neatly demonstrates why time management is so crucial. That's not all, though I've used the same technique to generate other helpful mind maps. For instance, this one focuses on health and wellness goals to better organize your routine. Similarly, if you're struggling with complex school topics, I also created this human skeleton mind map, which makes it easy to learn and understand the names and positions of the bones. Overall, this free mind mapping technique has proven very helpful to me, and I'm eager to use it for many of my daily tasks. For instance, I also created this map for family budgeting and expenses. The only crucial aspect here is to strengthen your prompting skills. I'll add more tips in the description below. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. And for creating perfect headshots without expensive photo shoots, check out this video next.